earthquakes, and total chaos. We've put together the most intense, high-budget scenes we've filmed in the past few years, and these are the moments that raise the bar. Let's go get some scares.
Oh yeah. See that monster? Woo! Yeah! Oh my God. We're going for a ride. Oh my God. What is pushing us, Tyler? Oh crap. They call us piggies.
Right in the basement.
No. Oh no. Oh my God. I don't like that at all. Holy crap. Hi. Hi. Again. Oh my God. Okay, well he can stay back there. You think? Oh.
I don't think I like ring around the rosy.
I don't either.
Look out!
Oh my God! Oh, piggy! Oh God! That's a big piggy!
Let's go left and to the right, piggy!
Okay. That one had a weapon. No! Don't touch that. You're electrocuted. I do not need any fixing. Ooh, he's scared the shit out of me. Ay, ay, ay. Is that a pirate? Ooh, I like that guy. Ooh, big old gator. Oh, that's not Peter Pan. Oh my God. Oh, crap. All right, here we go. Oh my God.
I think we're sinking.
Whee! Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Oh God. Oh. This is trippy as heck. Okay. Oh my.
Tell no tales.
Who's on here?
Oh man.
Oh, hell.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Oh, they're coming down.
I think I found a new thing.
Oh my God.
Oh God.
No. Oh, that's gross. Wow, are you okay? Oh, this is the new one. Holy shit! Here we go!
That's a California earthquake. Oh God. Lights came on behind us. Oh, it's never good.
What is that? What is that?
Holy crap!
Oh my god!
Oh God, it's following us!
It's a freaking combine!
Oh God!
Yeah!
It's already got some people in
Where'd
there.
it go? Oh crap,
Oh,
he's
God.
right that way.
If I were you, I would run or I would hide. Either way. If you see Harvey, it's too late.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
We got the run, he
Call
said.
his name,
Here
he'll
we
come.
go, the run.
Oh my god, look at that. Ah! I just watched you go in
Too
there
late,
too.
too late, too late.
Is that Harvey? Oh my god, that one got
Oh,
out.
my.
Look at that.
Oh, he's coming up behind us. Run.
No, I am not. Holy shoot balls.
Fly!
What?
There's the rope climbing.
Oh god.
Oh God.
Okay,
Go,
we're
go,
going,
go,
we're
go,
going,
go,
we're going.
go, go.
Huh?
All right, jump!
Go up. Holy crap.
Jump!
Yeah!
We did it!
Jump and crawl!
Oh my
Andy!
Huh? Oh my
down.
god!
Where'd
Jump
they go?
and crawl!
Where'd they go?
You better just crawl!
Oh my.
Holy
Wow. That's
Holy cow.
awesome.
wow.
Let's get up here.
This is Baba Yaga.
Whew. Bring your hiking
Got one of
boots.
these
Uh-huh.
creatures looking down on us. I think they know something we don't.
Oh yeah?
You can hear them cannons from all the way over here.
Yeah, the cannons are loud.
Uh-huh.
Woo!
Oh.
My butt's numb.
Feel the burn.
It's a lot going on.
Yeah, it's a yeah, that's cool. Bird. Oh my.
Oh my.
Are we in a bird's nest? Steps.
Floor is shaking.
Hi!
I like your hair. Can I have some?
Sure.
Want to add it to my collection?
Yeah, just snip it right off.
Oh, I don't like that one. I don't like you.
I didn't do it.
You see the dragon? Oh wow. Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Yeah, here it comes.
That's so sick!
Uh-oh. awesome.
I hope we survive too.
Oh my God.
Holy cow.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's
Raise your hand if you've seen that at a haunted house before.
Trespassers on my document.
Oh no, that's not
Hurry
good.
now, let's not keep killing so wait. She's wanting to take those nasty little souls out of you.
Of
Well,
course.
like any of you actually use them.
Well,
We'd like
Only
to
on
keep
Tuesdays.
ours.
yeah.
Or if you want to keep them, you can give me that shiny thing in your hand.
I'll get back to you on that.
No,
Don't
sir.
worry about it.
I think he's threatening us.
That's
Oh,
a
that's
really
a
large
good.
shark.
That's a big shark.
Oh, God.
that's so cool.
Look out, Owen.
That's
Coming out of the
awesome.
water.
Hey, good baby.
What the heck is going on out here?
That is cool.
It just keeps going.
That is really cool.
It's a whole pirate ship.
You all don't have the gold. I told you guys to bring.
We do not
I'm sorry.
walk the plank of death.
Walk the plank.
I want to walk the plank.
Oh my.
Oh, they lit
hi.
it on fire.
Uh-oh.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Oh, they're shooting cannons.
They are. That's
Oh,
really
yeah.
cool.
It smells good over here.
You in here, right?
I really don't know.
We look right lovely up on that mast, right?
No. They're mean. I think we need to bring gold next time.
We just got shot.
I'll get you like a dog.
Oh. Is that a
Oh,
compliment?
now we gotta go onto the ship. But it's burning, so it's probably not a good
Oh
idea.
no, the ship is on fire.
Watch them gators.
You gotta go fast
Watch
through
them
the fire.
gators. Oh, woo! Oh my God.
This is so cool.
The boat starts rocking, don't come knocking.
Oh, goodness. Now I too much.
Which one of you lots come to be my next sacrifice?
Not it. Nose goes.
She let her in the back.
No, nose goes.
See that much of blood? She's done.
Oh my God.
It looks like this one's got a weevil infestation.
Holy crap. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're gonna see all my body.
That's good. Hey, come on, anything loose? Go, go, go!
Oh, I have drool all over my face.